of the screening of the submitted documents. Sige po, Sir Well, interview kanina nag-grasp ho ba natin yung mga documents ninyo, yung mga MOVs ninyo, 50%. Tama? Hindi ito natatapos ang lahat.
Gumagana pa rin dyan.
40% of the validation.
Pag nabawasan mo siguro, print mo muna lahat.
Superior.
Ay, hindi. Save mo muna lahat dun. Luluwag dito. Ano, save na lahat? At teka muna, yung mga pictures sa gallery, pictures. Tingnan mo sa gallery. Kita mo, gallery. Ang dami. Sa gallery. No. This one, no. This one. Gallery. Yan yung gallery na yun. Dito ka ba tumingin? Sige, buksan mo dyan.
The division brings
Dito.
committee shall deliberate on the consolidation of results by category. They shall
Open in
signify
the tab.
in the consolidated rating sheet by category and shall treat with utmost confidentiality the final results of the deliberation.
Ano maghanap?
Hit, lacked. Yung
Asan
pwede
yung-
na hindi pa tapos ang laban malalag na. Take note with utmost confidentiality. All candidates who obtain at least a final rating of 75% shall be awarded.
Ay.
Ang ibang pakete, Sir Vincent Buel, Spirit, all fair and square. Ano na sabihin? Ako ang kalaban ko, sarili ko.
Ang iba nakaupo.
Mapinte ang aking sarili para makapag-obtain ako ng 75% to be awarded para to be part of the list of awardees. Nagkakaintindihan tayo mga kasama? As long as the nominees achieve the rating at least 75%, aawardan. Thumbs up na, aawardan. Sige po. Next. Sige po. Award ceremony. Division award
Ito na lang lahat na to.
recognized and formally
Lagay, i-save mo rin lahat yan.
during the award ceremony.
I-save mo na lahat para wala nang matitirang mga, wala nang matitirang mga files. Lagay mo na lahat dyan. Ha? Copy, para, copy, tapos, ibuburahin ko na dito. Pero siguro ay mo, i-open mo dyan, na talagang na-save mo, ha? Sige. Alisin mo na yung laptop ko. Kasi baka yun ang dahilan kaya hindi ako nakakaano dito eh. Naka-check dyan eh. Naka-print. Daming laman. There shall be measures to safeguard data from collection to validation by obtaining informed consent following the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Okay, so if there have been times that awarding and from screening to awarding should be done online, again, yun po ay during crisis. Sige po, next. Sige po, yan po yung talagang vlog po yan. Ayan. Sige po, policy guidelines. Sige po. Yan. Sige, ask mo man.
Okay po. Ako na po. Okay, first, we're going to discuss the criteria for outstanding ALS teachers. Meron po ba mga ALS teachers dito? Please raise your hands para makakonsentrate kayo sa pakikinig. Okay po, ma'am. Okay, ma'am Abigail? Sige. Yung iba pa pong ALS teachers, please listen carefully because these are the criteria for the search for outstanding ALS teacher. Okay. For the summary, these are the criteria points that divided into three. Instructional competence and teacher effectiveness, that is 55%. Professional growth, 25%.